This is the introduction.
The Calgary Distinguished Writers Program offers emerging writers the opportunity to immerse themselves in their own work. They have a dedicated office embedded in the Department of English.
50% of your time is writing, 50% of your time is like you have office hours and you meet with people and you give people's feedback on their writing. I was like, what? That's a dream.
The most beautiful thing about the residency is time to work. It's the time that they granted me to work on my own project, which was the best.
It's the premier program in the country, and you can tell the quality of our program and the reputation we have by the people who apply.
This is a fantastic opportunity because the team behind the residency ensures that you're having a fantastic time on campus.
I can say with full confidence it was the most productive 10 months of my writing career.
Calgary is a beautiful place to come as an author.
It's an amazing residency. I wish I could do it again.
I couldn't be happier to be here right now.